Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with the evolution of the eye. A 500 million year journey. Take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried, atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet, the universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. The evolution of vision spans an intricate historical timeline, beginning in the depths of primordial oceans over 500 million years ago. Simple light-sensitive cells emerged, enabling organisms to detect changes in illuminations. These primitive eye spots represented the initial step towards more complex visual systems, facilitating survival in a dynamic environment. Gradually, various adaptations occurred. The development of true eyes allowed for enhanced spatial awareness, crucial for navigating through their habitats. As vertebrates began to diverge from their invertebrate ancestors, the structure of the eye evolved significantly. Lenses formed, refining the ability to focus light and generate clearer images. In this region of evolutionary history, the emergence of color vision marked a pivotal advancement. The ability to discern different wavelengths of light led to improved foraging strategies and communication within species. These changes fostered a multitude of habitats, with vision becoming an essential tool for interaction and adaptation. Moving forward in time, significant evolutionary milestones can be observed, such as the transition from aquatic to terrestrial environments. Eyes adapted to new challenges, such as increased light intensity and atmospheric distortion. Each refinement and adaptation represents a response to environmental pressures, shaping the diverse forms of vision observed in modern species. This rich history of visual evolution continues to influence the understanding of biology and ecology today. The importance of light detection in early organisms cannot be understated. Simple photoreceptive cells emerged, allowing primordial life forms to respond to their environment. These basic structures, often located in the skin or near the surface of the organism, enabled them to discern light from dark. Such capabilities were critical for survival, influencing behaviors related to feeding and predator avoidance. Gradually, these rudimentary light-sensitive cells evolved into more complex systems. Some organisms developed eye spots, which provided directional awareness, enhancing their ability to navigate through their surroundings. This progression marked a significant turning point in the evolutionary narrative, as organisms began to utilize light for more than mere survival. In certain marine environments, the development of eyes with lenses allowed for improved image resolution, fostering greater interactions within ecological communities. This evolution facilitated not only predation but also the establishment of complex social structures among various species. The presence of light detection mechanisms also prompted changes in habitat preferences, as organisms sought environments that maximize their visual capabilities. The interplay between light and life shaped the evolutionary trajectory of countless species, leading to the diverse array of visual systems observed today. These adaptations demonstrate the profound impact of light on biological processes, driving innovation and resilience in the face of environmental challenges. Photoreception serves as a pivotal element in survival and adaptation, facilitating the ability to perceive light and its varying wavelengths. This sensitivity to light has enabled countless species to navigate their environments, locate food, and evade predators. In aquatic realms, Ophi, The presence of light plays a crucial role in shaping the behavior and physiology of organisms. Many marine species exhibit adaptations such as bioluminescence or specialized retinal structures, enhancing their capacity to exploit the available light. In terrestrial ecosystems, photoreception has led to the evolution of complex visual systems. The development of color vision in certain species allows for nuanced interactions with the environment, including the identification of ripe fruits or the recognition of potential mates. These visual capabilities are often linked to the specific habitats occupied, demonstrating a close relationship between ecological niche and photoreceptive adaptation. The evolutionary trajectory of the eye is marked by a series of incremental modifications, each fostering greater efficiency and precision in light detection. Simple light-sensitive cells gradually transformed into complex structures capable of forming images, enhancing the survival prospects of the organisms that possess them. This journey reflects the ongoing interplay between form, function, and environmental demands, underscoring the importance of photoreception in the broader context of evolutionary biology. Each improvement in vision has fortified ecological resilience, allowing species to thrive across diverse habitats. The emergence of the first simple eye spots marked a pivotal moment in evolutionary history. These primitive light-sensing structures, typically composed of clusters of photoreceptor cells, began to appear in various organisms. Their primary function was to detect light and dark, a fundamental capability that provided essential information about the environment. Such an adaptation enabled early life forms to respond to their surroundings, guiding them toward light sources for photosynthesis or away from potential threats. These rudimentary eye spots were not images in the modern sense, but rather a rudimentary means of sensing light intensity. The presence of light could indicate the proximity of predators or the availability of food. In this region of early aquatic ecosystems, organisms utilizing these simple structures experienced a marked advantage over those lacking light sensitivity. Over time, continuous exposure to varying light conditions led to the gradual refinement of these structures. Some species developed the ability to perceive the direction of light, enhancing their capacity to navigate through their habitats. This incrementally sophisticated process laid the groundwork for more complex visual systems. The evolution of these early eye spots exemplifies a critical step in the journey towards intricate vision. During the Cambrian period, approximately 500 million years ago, the first true eyes began to emerge. Simple structures formed from clusters of photoreceptive cells allowed organisms to detect light, providing a significant adaptive advantage. These primitive eyes improved survival rates by enabling early animals to navigate their environments more effectively. As time progressed, the eye underwent several key transformations. By the Ordovician period, roughly 400 million years ago, more complex eye structures developed. Compound eyes consisting of multiple lenses became prevalent among arthropods. This adaptation enhanced the ability to perceive movement and broadened the field of vision, vital for both predation and evasion. During the Silurian period, around 430 million years ago, the first vertebrate eyes appeared. These structures incorporated a single lens system, resembling the eyes of modern vertebrates. Over millions of years, additional refinements took place. The lens became more flexible, allowing for improved focus and depth perception. By the late Devonian, approximately 360 million years ago, the evolution of the eye reached new heights with the emergence of the first terrestrial vertebrates. Adaptations to different light environments led to further diversification. The ability to see in varying conditions became essential for survival, contributing to the vast array of visual systems observed in today's species. The development of eye spots marked an initial step in the evolution of vision. Simple clusters of photoreceptive cells allowed organisms to detect light and dark, offering basic orientation in their environments. These rudimentary structures provided a survival advantage, facilitating movement towards or away from light sources. Gradually, this region transformed, leading to the formation of pigment cup eyes. With the emergence of this new anatomical structure, organisms experienced a more refined perception of their surroundings. The pigment cup, a shallow depression lined with photoreceptive cells, began to enhance directional sensing. This adaptation allowed for improved spatial awareness, enabling early inhabitants of aquatic environments to navigate more effectively. Light entering the cup would create a crude image, presenting a more detailed understanding of nearby objects. The evolution from eye spots to pigment cup eyes illustrates a significant leap toward complex vision systems. It highlights the gradual refinement of sensory perception in response to environmental demands. Certain species began to exploit their enhanced visual capabilities, leading to an adaptive radiation of forms and functions in various ecological niches. This evolutionary progression laid the groundwork for more sophisticated ocular designs, paving the way for further complexity in the visual systems of future organisms. The journey from basic light detection to nuanced visibility marks a pivotal chapter in the story of life on Earth. The early lens development represents a significant advancement in the evolution of vision. Found in primitive organisms, these structures began as simple, transparent materials. The formation of a rudimentary lens allowed for the first instances of image projection, a crucial leap toward enhanced environmental perception. Light refraction through these early lenses enabled creatures to discern shapes and movement, establishing a foundation for more complex visual systems. In this period, lenses gradually evolved in response to environmental demands. The development of convex and concave shapes facilitated improved focus and clarity. Variations in lens curvature offered distinct advantages for different habitats, leading to adaptations that optimized survival. These alterations were not uniform. Instead, they occurred across diverse lineages, resulting in a rich variety of optical designs. This evolutionary experimentation continued as organisms adapted their lenses for specific ecological niches. Aquatic life, for instance, benefited from spherical lenses that compensated for light distortion in water. Terrestrial species, conversely, developed flatter lenses to accommodate the atmospheric conditions they faced. Each adaptation reflected the necessity for enhanced image formation, allowing organisms to interact with their surroundings more effectively. The refinement of these early lenses set the stage for the intricate visual systems observed in later species, paving the way for a broad spectrum of life forms equipped with advanced sight. This evolutionary journey led to the emergence of the compound eye, a pivotal advancement particularly in arthropods. Characterized by numerous small visual units known as ommatidia, this structure enabled a remarkable increase in the field of vision. Each ommatidium functions independently, contributing to a mosaic of images that enhances the organism's ability to detect movement and light intensity. In this region of evolution, the compound eye became vital for survival, particularly for predatory and prey species alike. This adaptation allowed for a greater awareness of the environment, enabling swift responses to threats and opportunities. The high sensitivity to motion provided a distinct advantage in the complex ecosystems of the Paleozoic era. With its layered structure, this visual system offers a unique perspective on the world. The ability to perceive ultraviolet light expanded the sensory capabilities of these organisms, revealing a reality invisible to many other species. Such advances not only facilitated navigation through diverse habitats, but also played a significant role in mating and foraging behaviors. As these eyes continued to evolve, variations emerged among different arthropod lineages. Each adaptation reflected the specific ecological niches they occupied, highlighting the intricate relationship between vision and survival. This evolutionary pathway illustrates the profound impact of visual systems on the diversification of life in the ancient seas and terrestrial landscapes. The anatomy of compound eyes presents a fascinating complexity, revealing the intricate adaptations that allow organisms to thrive in diverse environments. Comprised of thousands of individual units known as ommatidia, these structures work together to form a mosaic of images, each contributing to a broader visual perception. Each ommatidium contains its own lens, corneal facet, and photoreceptor cells, which collectively capture information about light intensity and direction. Insects and certain crustaceans exhibit remarkable variations in the arrangement and number of ommatidia. Some species possess compound eyes with specialized adaptations for enhanced sensitivity to movement, while others are fine-tuned for color discriminations. These variations reflect specific ecological niches where the ability to detect predators or navigate complex environments significantly influences survival. The functionality of compound eyes extends beyond mere image formation. The rapid response to visual stimuli is crucial for predation and evasions. This efficiency is rooted in the unique neural processing that occurs within the eye, allowing for almost instantaneous reactions to changes in the surroundings. The structure enables a wide field of vision, making it possible to monitor multiple directions simultaneously. This remarkable design showcases nature's ingenuity, demonstrating how the evolution of visual systems has shaped the behavior and interactions of countless species across various ecosystems. The intricate relationship between structure and function continues to inspire scientific inquiry into the depths of biological adaptation. The evolutionary advantages of compound vision emerge prominently in various species, particularly among arthropods. This optical arrangement allows for a broad field of view, enabling the detection of movement from multiple angles simultaneously. Such a characteristic proves vital for survival. Predators are often met with swift responses, while prey can evade capture more effectively. In this region, the eyes consist of numerous individual units called ommatidia, each contributing to a mosaic of images. This structure reduces blind spots and enhances sensitivity to motion, factors that are crucial in the unpredictable dynamics of their habitats. Creatures equipped with compound eyes can perceive rapid changes in their surroundings, a feature that aids in both predation and evasion. The light sensitivity of these eyes varies across species. Some possess the ability to detect ultraviolet wavelengths, allowing them to navigate environments and locate resources invisible to other organisms. This adaptation offers a competitive edge in finding food and identifying mates, contributing to reproductive success. The diversification of compound vision illustrates the broader evolutionary narrative, showcasing how adaptation shapes not only physical attributes, but also behavioral strategies. As environments shift, these adaptations facilitate survival in the face of ecological pressures, ensuring that these creatures continue to thrive across various landscapes. The journey of vision demonstrates a remarkable interplay between evolution and the necessities of life. Environmental factors have played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of eyes across various species. Different habitats have dictated the specific adaptations necessary for survival. In aquatic environments, for instance, light penetrates water differently than in air. This variation has influenced the development of specialized ocular structures, enabling organisms to perceive their surroundings efficiently. In deeper waters, bioluminescence becomes a critical visual cue. Species residing in these depths have evolved sensitive eyes capable of detecting minimal light, facilitating predation and evasion from predators. Conversely, terrestrial environments present a unique set of challenges. Here, the need for acute vision during daylight hours has led to the emergence of more complex eye structures. Adjustable lenses and protective coverings enhance clarity and focus, allowing for a sharper perception of potential threats or opportunities. The presence of varying light conditions across regions has further influenced eye size and shape. In dimly lit forests, larger and more sensitive eyes are prevalent, while the open plains tend to favor eyes that are positioned for a broader field of vision. These adaptations are not merely responses to immediate environmental demands, but reflect a long history of gradual changes driven by the need to thrive in diverse habitats. The evolution of the eye illustrates a profound connection between organisms and their environments, revealing the intricate relationship between biology and ecology. The development of the simple camera eye in vertebrates marks a pivotal moment in the evolutionary timeline. This type of eye, which first emerged over 400 million years ago, showcases a remarkable adaptation to the demands of predation and survival within diverse habitats. Composed of a lens, retina, and a light-sensitive surface, it optimizes the capture of light, enabling organisms to form images more clearly than their predecessors. In this region of evolutionary history, the transition from rudimentary light-sensing spots to more complex structures is evident. Early vertebrates began to exhibit the ability to discern shape and movement, allowing for enhanced interaction with their surroundings. The presence of a transparent cornea and the development of a vitreous body facilitated the refraction of light, contributing to improved visual acuity. These adaptations versus förlust and för the cornea and the development of a vitreous body facilitated the refraction of light, contributing to improved visual acuity. These adaptations These adaptations emerge distinctly across various species, demonstrating the versatility of evolutionary responses to environmental pressures. The vertebrate eye, despite its shared foundational structure, displays notable variations that highlight ecological niches and behavioral needs. In this region, the structure of the eye in fish reveals a spherical lens, optimized for underwater vision. This configuration allows for a wide field of view, essential for both predation and evasion within a three-dimensional aquatic environment. In contrast, terrestrial vertebrates exhibit a more flattened lens, accommodating the different refractive indices present in air. The presence of a choroid layer provides nourishment and supports the retina across species, yet its pigmentation varies. Dark pigments can enhance light absorption, minimizing glare and improving contrast in bright environments. Birds, for instance, possess a highly developed fovea, allowing for acute vision and a broader spectrum sensitivity, critical for their survival in complex habitats. Mammalian eyes, typically equipped with a more robust scleral structure, reflect adaptations for nocturnal activity. The tapetum lucidum, present in many species, enhances low-light visibility by reflecting light through the retina. Across these diverse adaptations, the evolutionary narrative of the eye remains a testament to the intricate interplay between form and function, revealing the delicate balance of survival strategies within the vertebrate lineage. The lens serves as a focal point in this evolutionary journey, transitioning from a simple, transparent structure to a complex organ capable of fine-tuning vision. Early lenses, often found in primitive vertebrates, offered basic light refraction, allowing organisms to perceive their surroundings in a rudimentary manner. These initial adaptations were essential for survival, optimizing the ability to detect movement and shapes in the environment. As time progressed, the lens underwent significant modifications. In more advanced species, the introduction of curvature and density variations enabled enhanced focus and clarity. This refinement allowed for the development of complex visual systems capable of discerning finer details, supporting more sophisticated interactions with the environment. Changes in lens composition further contributed to these advancements, with proteins evolving to maintain transparency and resilience against damage. In this context, the lens reflects the broader evolutionary pressures faced by vertebrates, adapting to various niches and predatory strategies. The emergence of dynamic lenses with the ability to change shape marked a pivotal moment, facilitating the transition from aquatic to terrestrial life. Such adaptations have enabled species to thrive in diverse habitats, illuminating the evolutionary connections between form, function, and survival. Through these intricate developments, the lens stands as a significant milestone in the ongoing story of visual evolution. Environmental conditions exert profound influences on the design of the eye. Variations in habitat, light availability, and predation drive modifications to ocular structures. In aquatic environments, for instance, the refractive properties of water necessitate adaptations that differ from those in terrestrial settings. Eyes designed for underwater use exhibit spherical lenses, allowing for a wider field of vision in a medium that distorts light. The presence of predators and prey introduces an additional layer of complexity to visual evolution. Species with enhanced visual acuity often gain advantages in survival, leading to the development of specialized adaptations such as increased photoreceptor density. This modification enhances the ability to detect movement and distinguish colors, crucial for both hunting and evasion. Social behavior also plays a pivotal role in shaping ocular design. In many species, the ability to communicate through visual signals necessitates the evolution of eyes capable of perceiving subtle cues within a group. Consequently, traits such as eye size and placement become subject to selective pressures that favor effective interaction among individuals. These evolutionary pressures reveal a continuous dialogue between organisms and their environments. As conditions shift, the eye undergoes refinements that reflect both the demands of survival and the nuances of ecological relationships. Each adaptation contributes to the broader narrative of life, illustrating the intricate balance between form and function. The first vertebrate eyes emerged approximately 500 million years ago, as evidenced by fossil records revealing primitive structures. These early ocular formations, found in ancient fish species, indicate a significant evolutionary leap in visual capability. Composed of simple lenses and rudimentary retinas, they facilitated the detection of light and movement, providing crucial survival advantages in turbulent aquatic environments. Fossils from this period display varying degrees of complexity, showcasing adaptations that reflect the changing demands of their surroundings. The presence of mineralized structures suggests that these eyes were finely tuned for detecting prey and avoiding predators, marking a pivotal moment in evolutionary history. As ecosystems evolved, so too did the demands on visual perception. leading to the refinement of these primitive eyes. Aniu ein vorsa inuans perception. This advancement likely played a critical role in the success of early vertebrate species as they navigated their environments. The arrangement and orientation of these ocular structures hint at the beginnings of a sophisticated visual system, laying the groundwork for the diverse array of eyes observed in modern vertebrates. Additionally, the fossil record provides insights into the gradual transition from simple light-sensitive cells to complex organs capable of intricate visual processing, highlighting the relentless march of adaptation through time. The neural retina serves as a crucial component in the overall architecture of the eye, acting as the interface between light and the brain. This thin layer of tissue contains photoreceptor cells, specifically rods and cones, which are responsible for converting light into electrical signals. Rods excel in low light conditions, enabling nocturnal vision, while cones facilitate color perception and visual acuity in brighter environments. An intricate network of neurons within this region processes the signals generated by photoreceptors. Bipolar cells relay information from rods and cones to ganglion cells, which then transmit these signals to the brain via the optic nerve. This complex interplay highlights the retina's role not only in capturing light, but also in refining and transmitting visual information. Visual information, the evolutionary significance of the neural retina cannot be understated. Variations in the structure and function of this layer have emerged in response to different ecological demands, allowing species to adapt to specific habitats. For instance, aquatic environments have shaped the retinas of certain fish, optimizing them for underwater vision, while terrestrial animals exhibit adaptations suited for life on land. Such modifications underscore the dynamic relationship between vision and habitat, revealing how the neural retina has evolved to meet the varying demands of survival across millions of years. The evolution of photoreceptor cells marks a significant advancement in visual perception. Rods, the earliest type of photoreceptor, are highly sensitive to light, enabling organisms to detect movement and navigate in low-light conditions. This adaptation proved crucial for survival in dim environments, where these structures provided a means to avoid predators and locate food. As ecosystems diversified, the demand for more intricate visual capabilities emerged. Cones began to evolve, allowing for color discrimination and improved detail perception. This transition reflects a shift in habitat preferences, as species adapted to environments with abundant light. The development of cones, enabling the perception of a broader spectrum of light, enhanced the ability to identify ripe fruits and potential mates, thereby influencing reproductive success. Different types of cones emerged, each sensitive to various wavelengths. This differentiation allowed organisms to experience a richer visual environment, capable of perceiving subtle changes in hue and brightness. The coexistence of rods and cones in the retina illustrates a sophisticated system that balances low-light vision with high-resolution color perception, catering to a diverse range of ecological niches. Through this evolutionary lens, the progression from rods to cones highlights the intricate interplay between environmental demands and the sensory adaptations that facilitate survival across diverse habitats. The ongoing evolution of photoreceptors continues to shape how organisms interact with their surroundings. Genetic mechanisms underpin the development of eyes across various species, revealing a complex interplay of specific genes and signaling pathways. A critical component in this process is the PAX6 gene, often described as a master regulator in eye formation. Its expression triggers a cascade of events that lead to the differentiation of ocular tissues. In many organisms, variations of PAX6 are conserved, demonstrating its fundamental role in establishing eye structure. This region of genetic activity also includes the role of transcription factors, which guide the formation of retinal cells and the intricate layers of the eye. These proteins bind to DNA, modulating the expression of other genes essential for eye development. Additionally, signaling pathways such as the hedgehog and Wnt pathways are instrumental in patterning the eye and determining its size and shape. During embryonic development, these genes and pathways interact with environmental signals, further refining the formation of the eye. Such interactions highlight the dynamic nature of genetic regulation, where intrinsic genetic programs respond to external cues. As organisms evolved, modifications in these pathways led to the diversity of eye structures observed today, ranging from simple light-sensitive cells to highly sophisticated camera-like eyes. The genetic foundation of eye development illustrates the intricate balance between evolution and environmental adaptation. Evolutionary transitions have profoundly influenced eye function across diverse species. In this region of biological development, the emergence of different eye types reveals the adaptive responses to varied environmental challenges. Simple light-sensitive cells evolved into more complex structures, enabling organisms to discern shapes and movement, crucial for survival. The transition from primitive eye spots to the camera-like eyes found in certain cephalopods showcases this advancement. These eyes, equipped with a lens, allow for a level of focus and clarity that supports predation and evasion. The development of color vision in some vertebrates, driven by environmental demands, further exemplifies the significant impact of evolutionary changes on visual capabilities in aquatic environments. Eyes adapted to different light conditions, leading to variations in size and shape. Some species developed specialized adaptations, such as reflective layers, enhancing visibility in dim conditions. Terrestrial adaptations introduced new challenges. Consequently, eyelids and tear glands emerged to protect delicate structures from drying out. The emergence of binocular vision in certain species improved depth perception, facilitating navigation through complex habitats. These modifications illustrate not only the direct responses to environmental pressures, but also the intricate interplay between form and function across evolutionary epochs. Each transition represents a remarkable journey through time, showcasing how life has continuously adapted to thrive in a dynamic world. The emergence of color vision in early vertebrates marked a significant evolutionary advantage, enhancing their ability to navigate complex environments. This adaptation likely began with the presence of simple photoreceptor cells. They responded to varying wavelengths of light, gradually evolving into more sophisticated structures. These changes facilitated the differentiation of colors, a necessity for survival in vibrant underwater habitats. As these aquatic realms, the ability to discern hues provided crucial benefits. It helped in identifying predators, recognizing mates, and locating food sources. The development of cone cells, which are sensitive to different wavelengths, played a pivotal role in this evolutionary leap. The transition from monochromatic vision to a more nuanced perception allowed these creatures to thrive in diverse ecological niches. Over time, the diversification of light-sensitive pigments contributed to a broader spectrum of color detection. This progression enabled early vertebrates to exploit new resources and adapt to various light conditions found in their environments. The intricate interplay of biology and habitat shaped their sensory systems in ways that directly influenced survival and reproduction. As color vision advanced, it not only enhanced individual success, but also facilitated social interactions within species, fostering complex behaviors and communication strategies. These adaptations laid the groundwork for the intricate visual systems found in modern vertebrates, reflecting a long history of evolutionary innovation. Aquatic environments prompted unique adaptations that shaped the structure and function of eyes. In water, light behaves differently than in air, necessitating specialized lenses to refract light efficiently. Consequently, many aquatic species developed spherical lenses to maximize light entry and enhance clarity beneath the surface. This configuration allows for a broad field of vision, crucial for detecting predators and prey in the expansive depths. These adaptations differ markedly from those observed in terrestrial environments. On land, the challenge of light refraction and distortion required evolution to favor flattened lenses, optimizing focus on distant objects. The transition to terrestrial life also introduced the necessity for protective structures, such as eyelids and tear ducts, to maintain moisture and shield the delicate surface of the eye from environmental hazards. Color perception diverged as well, with aquatic species often relying on different wavelengths for visibility in deeper waters, while terrestrial organisms developed enhanced capabilities to identify a broader spectrum of colors, aiding in foraging and social interaction. The evolution of eyes in these two realms illustrates the profound influence of habitat on biological development. Each adaptation serves as a testament to the relentless march of evolution, where the demands of the environment sculpt the intricate designs of life. This ongoing journey continues to reveal the complexities and wonders inherent in the natural world. The transition from water to land necessitated profound adaptations in various life forms, particularly in their sensory systems. Eyes evolved to meet the demands of terrestrial environments, where light conditions and visibility differ significantly from aquatic surroundings. In water, light disperses uniformly, while on land, it interacts with various substrates and atmospheric elements, requiring enhanced visual acuity. The initial adaptations began with the development of a more spherical lens, optimizing focus for the changing refractive index encountered in air. This design allowed organisms to perceive greater detail and depth, essential for navigating terrestrial landscapes. The emergence of eyelids provided protection against environmental hazards, such as dust and debris, while also facilitating moisture retention. The cornea, crucial for light entry, became more prominent, further refining visual capabilities. As creatures ventured onto land, the need for acute perception of movement and distance intensified. Structures such as the retina underwent significant transformations, enabling a wider range of light detection and color perception. In this evolving landscape, the eye's connection to the brain strengthened, enhancing visual processing. Neural pathways adapted to interpret complex stimuli, ensuring that organisms could respond promptly to their surroundings. These developments set the stage for a diverse array of visual systems, shaping the evolutionary trajectory of countless species in the terrestrial realm. The pupil serves a crucial function in controlling the amount of light that enters the eye, a mechanism essential for optimal vision across varying light conditions. In bright environments, it constricts, reducing light influx to prevent damage to sensitive retinal cells. Conversely, in dim settings, it dilates, allowing more light to reach the retina, enhancing visual acuity in low visibility. This feature is particularly evident in species adapted to diverse habitats. In nocturnal organisms, enlarged pupils can be observed, facilitating their survival in darkness. The evolutionary pressures of predation and foraging have fine-tuned this aspect, leading to a remarkable diversity in pupil shapes and functions. For instance, slit-like pupils optimize depth of field in certain predators, while round pupils can be found in diurnal animals that rely on acute color perception. The regulation of light entry is not solely a response to environmental light levels. It also reflects behavioral states. Emotional responses can trigger physiological changes in the pupils, revealing underlying neural pathways that connect sensory input with behavioral output. This dynamic adjustment showcases not only the adaptability of visual systems, but also the intricate relationship between an organism and its surroundings. Such mechanisms illustrate the complex interplay between evolution and environmental adaptation, shaping the visual capabilities that define each species. The evolution of binocular vision in predators marks a significant advancement in visual acuity and spatial awareness. This adaptation arose in response to the demands of hunting and navigating through varied environments. With forward-facing eyes, predators gained the ability to perceive depth and distance more accurately, enhancing their ability to track and capture prey. These species the owistra bolster the to perceive depth and distance more accurately, enhancing their ability to track and capture prey. These species, overlapping fields of vision allow for precise judgment of distances, which is critical during high-speed chases or ambushes. The brain processes these dual inputs, merging them into a singular three-dimensional perspective. This capability is paramount for survival, enabling these creatures to thrive in competitive ecosystems. The anatomical modifications that accompany this evolution are notable. The position and structure of the eyes shift, often accompanied by changes in the skull shape. These alterations maximize the field of binocular vision, while maintaining necessary peripheral awareness. This balance ensures that predators are not only adept at stalking prey, but also vigilant against potential threats. Certain mammals, birds, and reptiles exhibit remarkable variations in this evolutionary trait, illustrating diverse solutions to similar ecological challenges. The advancements in vision offer insights into behavioral strategies, feeding habits, and social interactions. As such, binocular vision serves as a key element in understanding the dynamics of predator-prey relationships within ecosystems. Depth perception plays a crucial role in the survival of many species, influencing their ability to navigate complex environments and hunt effectively. This ability relies on the brain's processing of visual information from both eyes, allowing for a three-dimensional understanding of surroundings. In predators, enhanced depth perception facilitates the precise calculation of distance and speed, essential for successful pursuits. It allows them to judge the position of their prey with remarkable accuracy. Herbivores, too, benefit significantly from this perceptual skill. Evasion from predators becomes more effective when they can accurately assess the proximity of threats. The ability to gauge distances accurately enables quick, decisive movements in response to danger. In dense foliage or rugged terrains, these capabilities become critical. Variability in eye placement further influences depth perception across species. Forward-facing eyes enhance binocular overlap, improving spatial awareness, while side-facing eyes may provide a broader field of view, sacrificing some depth accuracy in favor of spotting predators from multiple angles. In aquatic environments, adaptations such as the positioning of eyes on either side of the head allow species to monitor their surroundings effectively. These incremental adaptations highlight the ongoing evolutionary pressures faced by animals in their respective habitats. Depth perception remains a fundamental aspect of survival, shaping the behaviors and physical structures of diverse life forms. Ohiatia on-sagt vision highlights a remarkable divergence from vertebrate systems, showcasing unique adaptations that enhance survival in varied environments. Compound eyes dominate this realm, composed of thousands of individual lenses known as ommatidia. Each ommatidium captures light from a distinct angle, creating a mosaic of images that allows for an extensive field of view. This design provides it with the ability to detect rapid movements, an essential trait for evading predators. Color sensitivity also reflects a sophisticated evolutionary path. Many insects possess photoreceptors that extend beyond the visible spectrum, enabling them to perceive ultraviolet light. This capability aids in locating food sources, as many flowers exhibit patterns invisible to the human eye, guiding pollinators towards nectar. Additionally, some species have developed specialized adaptations for low-light conditions. Nocturnal insects, for instance, often display larger eyes relative to their body size, optimizing light capture in dim environments. The structural composition of these eyes can vary, with certain insects employing a reflective layer behind the retina, enhancing their sensitivity to light. These evolutionary innovations underscore the diverse strategies employed by insects to navigate their ecosystems. Each adaptation serves a distinct purpose, contributing to the intricate web of life on Earth, revealing the complexities inherent in the evolutionary journey of vision. The capacity for ultraviolet vision plays a vital role in the intricate processes of pollination. Many species of insects, particularly bees, possess the ability to perceive ultraviolet light. This adaptation allows them to identify flowers more effectively, as certain floral patterns become visible solely in this spectrum. The ultraviolet markings, often invisible to the human eye, act as guides, directing pollinators towards nectar-rich areas. These patterns not only attract pollinators, but also enhance the efficiency of pollen transfer. As bees navigate towards these ultraviolet signals, they inadvertently collect pollen, facilitating cross-pollination between plants. This interaction reflects a mutualistic relationship where the plant benefits from reproductive success, while the pollinator is rewarded with sustenance. In various ecosystems, this visual adaptation has led to the diversification of flowering plants. As species evolve, their flower structures and colors may shift to align with the visual preferences of their pollinators. These adaptations can influence the reproductive strategies of plants, promoting genetic diversity and resilience within populations. The implications of ultraviolet vision extend beyond individual species, shaping entire ecosystems. As pollinators adapt to utilize these signals, they indirectly drive plant evolution, demonstrating the interconnectedness of life. Such intricate relationships underscore the complexity and profundity of evolutionary processes, highlighting the significance of vision as a driver of ecological dynamics. The evolution of night vision presents a compelling narrative of adaptation, particularly evident in nocturnal species. In environments where light is scarce, certain organisms have developed specialized structures to enhance their ability to perceive surroundings. This adaptation can be traced back to ancestral forms which thrived under dim conditions, leading to significant morphological changes over time. Avalingarantu of the eye size in many nocturnal creatures allows for an increased capture of available light. A larger pupil facilitates greater light intake, amplifying visual sensitivity. Retinal adaptations, such as a higher ratio of rod cells to cone cells, further enhance this capability. Rod cells are particularly adept at detecting low light conditions, providing these species with the means to navigate and hunt in darkness. Some organisms also exhibit a reflective layer behind the retina, known as the tapetum lucidum. This structure reflects light that passes through the retina back into the eye, effectively doubling the chances of photon capture. Such adaptations are often accompanied by changes in behavior, including heightened senses of hearing and smell, which complement their visual capabilities. These evolutionary trajectories illustrate a remarkable response to ecological pressures. As light conditions varied, so too did the mechanisms of survival, demonstrating the intricate interplay between environment and adaptation in the natural world. The evolution of eye muscles significantly enhanced both mobility and focus, allowing organisms to track movement and respond to their surroundings with greater precision. Over time, the addition of extraocular muscles provided a wider range of motion. This adaptation facilitated the ability to scan the environment quickly, an essential trait for both predator and prey alike. In aquatic settings, where light diffuses differently than in terrestrial environments, these changes were particularly pronounced, enabling organisms to detect slight movements and react accordingly. With the development of these muscles, the capacity for depth perception emerged. This newfound ability transformed the relationship between visual input and physical action, improving hunting strategies and escaping tactics. Enhanced focus allowed creatures to hone in on specific objects, increasing the likelihood of successful interactions with their environment. The coordination between the eye and the muscles surrounding it became vital as it directly impacted survival rates. In this ongoing evolutionary narrative, the refinement of eye muscles marked a significant milestone. It represented a shift towards more complex visual processing systems. This adaptation led to a fascinating evolution in eye positioning, with organisms gradually developing the ability to perceive their surroundings more effectively. The placement of eyes became crucial in early creatures. Eyes were positioned laterally, offering a broad field of view. This configuration allowed for the detection of predators and prey alike, enhancing survival in a world fraught with danger. As species transitioned to varied habitats, eye positioning underwent significant changes. Predators began to develop forward-facing eyes, which facilitated depth perception and improved focus on targets. This anatomical shift provided a distinct advantage, enabling these organisms to hunt with greater efficiency. The overlapping fields of vision created a three-dimensional perspective, vital for gauging distances accurately. In contrast, many herbivores retained laterally placed eyes, maximizing their ability to monitor the environment for threats while grazing. This arrangement allowed for a nearly panoramic view, providing early warning signals against approaching dangers. Such evolutionary strategies exemplified the delicate balance between predation and survival. The diversity of eye positioning across species illustrates a remarkable adaptive response to ecological niches. Each arrangement speaks to the unique demands faced by the organisms inhabiting varied environments. Understanding these evolutionary pathways reveals the intricate relationship between anatomy, behavior, and the surrounding world. Through this lens, the evolution of eye positioning emerges as a testament to life's relentless pursuit of survival. Benwissamei Furishaquim Solsa Pordiomolta. Convergent evolution manifests in various species that have independently developed similar eye structures, demonstrating the adaptability of vision to diverse environments. This phenomenon illustrates how different lineages may arrive at analogous solutions to the challenges of survival. In the depths of the oceans, for instance, Cephalopods exhibit sophisticated camera-like eyes that mirror the design found in vertebrates. These structures, despite their shared functionality, arise from entirely distinct evolutionary pathways. In terrestrial ecosystems, the compound eyes of insects serve a different purpose while maintaining a remarkable ability to detect movement and light. This region of evolution showcases not only the versatility of ocular design, but also the influence of habitat on the development of visual systems. Predatory birds and certain reptiles further exemplify this adaptability, where their visual acuity has evolved to meet hunting demands in various ecological niches. The presence of these similar eye structures across unrelated species underscores the importance of environmental pressures in shaping anatomical traits. Each instance reflects a solution tailored to specific challenges, revealing the intricate relationship between form and function. These adaptations often highlight a shared ancestral need for vision, leading to the remarkable convergence observed in the natural world. Understanding these evolutionary paths enriches the narrative of life's complexity and resilience. The evolution of the eye in cephalopods stands as a remarkable example of adaptive innovation. This region of the animal kingdom showcases a unique approach to vision, diverging significantly from vertebrate eye development. The camera-like structure found in cephalopods is strikingly similar to that of humans, despite arising from entirely different evolutionary origins. In cephalopods, the eye features a single lens that focuses light onto a layer of photoreceptor cells. This design allows for exceptional visual acuity, facilitating hunting and navigation within their often dimly lit environments. The placement of the eye on the head provides a broad field of view, enhancing their ability to detect movement and potential predators. The absence of a blind spot, unlike invertebrates, highlights an evolutionary refinement that has maximized their sensory capabilities. Neural processing of visual information occurs in an advanced manner, allowing for rapid responses to stimuli. Coloration and texture perception add another layer of complexity to their vision, enabling cephalopods to communicate through intricate displays while simultaneously camouflaging themselves within their surroundings. This evolutionary journey elucidates the adaptability of life forms, demonstrating how similar structures can emerge under different circumstances to fulfill equivalent functions. The cephalopod eye exemplifies nature's ingenuity in solving challenges posed by diverse environments. The intricate relationship between the eye and the brain plays a pivotal role in visual perception. This interaction begins as light enters the eye, where it is focused onto the retina. Specialized cells within this layer convert light into electrical signals, which are then transmitted through the optic nerve. These signals travel to various regions of the brain, where they are interpreted and integrated into coherent images. The visual cortex, located in the occipital lobe, serves as the primary processing center for these signals. It is here that raw data from the eyes is transformed into recognizable shapes, colors, and movements. This region not only decodes visual stimuli, but also collaborates with other areas of the brain that manage memory and spatial awareness. Such integration allows for the interpretation of visual information in context, contributing to an organism's understanding of its surroundings. A further complexity arises from the brain's ability to filter and prioritize visual input. This mechanism ensures that critical information is processed effectively, while less relevant details may be ignored. As evolutionary pressures shaped sensory systems, the brain adapted to enhance survival, guiding behavior and decision-making based on visual cues. Eye size and shape exhibit remarkable variation across species, influenced by environmental factors and ecological niches. In aquatic environments, Larger eyes facilitate improved vision in low-light conditions, allowing species to detect movement and potential prey. This adaptation is evident in deep-sea organisms where light is scarce. Conversely, terrestrial species often display smaller, more compact eyes, optimizing them for peripheral vision and swift reaction times in complex landscapes. Changes in eye shape also reflect evolutionary adaptations. Predatory species tend to possess forward-facing eyes, enhancing depth perception and facilitating targeted hunting strategies. In contrast, prey species often exhibit laterally positioned eyes, granting a wider field of view to detect threats. These adaptations enhance survival rates, demonstrating a direct link between eye morphology and behavioral strategies. In some insects, compound eyes emerge as a specialized structure, consisting of numerous ommatidia that provide a broad visual field and exceptional motion detection. This evolutionary path illustrates an alternative route to enhancing visual capabilities, diverging from the vertebrate model. As species continue to adapt to their surroundings, the evolution of the eye remains a subject of fascination. Each variation not only serves a functional purpose, but also reflects the intricate interplay between organisms and their environments, underscoring the complexity of evolutionary processes. Habitat plays a pivotal role in shaping eye morphology, influencing adaptations that optimize vision under varying conditions. In aquatic environments, eyes often develop specialized structures to enhance light perception in dimly lit depths. Many marine organisms exhibit enlarged lenses, enabling them to capture fleeting flashes of bioluminescence. The refractive properties of water necessitate alterations in design, leading to diverse shapes and sizes tailored to specific ecological niches. And conversely, terrestrial habitats demand different adaptations. Many land-dwelling species possess eyelids and nictitating membranes, protecting their eyes from dust and debris while providing a broader field of vision. In arid environments, a pronounced ability to see ultraviolet light emerges, aiding in foraging and navigation where visibility can be compromised by intense sunlight. In isolated caves, species often exhibit reduced or entirely absent eye structures, reflecting a shift from reliance on vision to heightened sensitivity in other senses. These changes are indicative of a unique evolutionary pathway, where survival hinges upon alternative adaptations. The variation in eye morphology across habitats underscores the profound relationship between environment and evolutionary pressures. Each adaptation not only fulfills the immediate needs of the organism, but also weaves a narrative of survival, resilience, and the relentless march of evolutionary change over millennia. The emergence of protective eye structures marks a significant milestone in the evolutionary journey of vision. Eyelids and nictitating membranes serve as vital adaptations, enhancing the functionality of the eye in various environments. These structures provide a shield against debris, excessive light, and potential harm. In terrestrial organisms, eyelids evolved to moisten and protect the cornea, facilitating clear vision in dry air. The nictitating membrane, a translucent fold of tissue, offers an additional layer of protection while allowing for continued visibility. This adaptation is particularly beneficial in aquatic environments, where organisms navigate through challenging conditions. It acts almost as a third eyelid, sweeping across the eye to remove particles and maintain moisture, ensuring optimal function. In this region of evolutionary history, the development of these protective features illustrates the intricate balance between survival and sensory enhancement. Various species exhibit a diverse range of eyelid structures, from the simple to the complex, shaped by their specific habitats and behavioral needs. Nictitating membranes are observed across many groups, including birds and reptiles, highlighting their effectiveness and adaptability. The evolution of these structures is not merely a response to environmental pressures, but reflects the intricate interplay between anatomy and ecology. Each organism's eye adapts uniquely, showcasing the ongoing narrative of life and the adaptive strategies that define it. While fossilized remains offer a window into the evolutionary journey of visual systems, revealing the gradual complexity of eyes over millions of years, early evidence indicates the presence of simple light-sensitive cells in primitive organisms, serving as precursors to more advanced structures. These ancient adaptations provided a rudimentary sense of light and dark, allowing early life forms to navigate their surroundings. As time progressed, the fossil record documents the emergence of compound eyes, exemplified by the diverse arthropods of the Cambrian period. In these organisms, numerous individual lenses worked in unison, enabling a wide field of vision. The preservation of such features in sedimentary layers illustrates the evolutionary pressures that favored vision in predation and survival. Further examination of vertebrate fossils unveils the transition from simple pinhole cameras to the more sophisticated lens-based systems seen in modern species. Structures such as the sclera and retina began to evolve, enhancing image clarity and depth perception. These developments indicate a gradual refinement in response to environmental challenges. The insights gained from paleobiology highlight not only the anatomical changes, but also the ecological contexts in which these adaptations occurred. Each fossil serves as a narrative fragment, contributing to a comprehensive understanding of how vision has shaped the survival strategies of myriad species throughout Earth's history. The evolution of the eye has played a pivotal role in shaping ecological niches across diverse habitats. This organ, in its various forms, has allowed organisms to adapt to their environments, influencing behaviors, dietary choices, and predation strategies. In the depths of the ocean, creatures such as the deep-sea anglerfish exhibit specialized eyes that enhance their ability to detect bioluminescent prey amidst the darkness. Their adaptations ensure survival in one of the most challenging environments on the planet. Conversely, in sunlit forests, the compound eyes of insects provide a wide field of vision, enabling them to evade predators and locate mates with precision. This adaptation has allowed them to thrive in densely vegetated areas where visibility is often compromised. The transition from simple light-sensitive cells to complex, image-forming eyes illustrates the intense evolutionary pressures at play in these varied ecological settings. Under insect ecosystems, the development of color vision has permitted many species to identify ripe fruits and flowers, facilitating symbiotic relationships with plants. These interactions create a ripple effect, impacting the reproductive success of flowering species and ensuring the continuation of both plant and animal populations. Thus, the evolution of the eye is not merely a biological advancement, it is a fundamental component of ecological dynamics, influencing interactions among species and the environments they inhabit. Changes in climate shape the environment in which organisms evolve, compelling adaptations that can significantly influence sensory systems. As temperatures rise and habitats shift, the selective pressures on species are altered, prompting new evolutionary pathways for visual systems. Variations in light availability, atmospheric conditions, and ecological niches drive these adaptations, resulting in diverse ocular forms suited to specific environments. In aquatic ecosystems, increased water temperature can affect light penetration. Shifts in these conditions lead to modifications in eye structure among marine organisms, such as the development of enhanced photoreceptor cells that allow for better vision in turbid waters. Terrestrial species experience similar pressures. Alterations in habitat can necessitate the evolution of eyes that perceive a broader spectrum of light or adapt to lower light conditions found in dense forests. The degradation of habitats due to climate change further complicates these processes. Species that cannot adapt to the rapid changes may face extinction, while others may develop unique visual adaptations that allow them to exploit new ecological niches. This ongoing evolution of the eye serves as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Observing these changes reveals not only the intricacies of biological evolution, but also the profound implications of a warming planet on the sensory capabilities of countless organisms. Averinoridern Oni-Roli mammals marks a pivotal transition in sensory development. Initially, these organisms possessed relatively simple ocular structures, primarily adapted for low-light conditions. The adaptation of nocturnal lifestyles dictated the need for enhanced vision, leading to the refinement of retinal cells and the incorporation of rods and cones. This incremental improvement enabled them to detect movement and perceive shapes more accurately, facilitating survival in dim environments. Over time, the emergence of diurnal mammals prompted further evolution as the need for color discrimination became imperative. In response, more complex visual systems developed, allowing for improved acuity and a broader spectrum of light perception. This transformation was accompanied by alterations in the eye's anatomical arrangement, including the development of a more spherical lens and a deeper ocular chamber, which both contributed to sharper focus and greater visual clarity. The evolution of the eye also reflects dietary adaptations. Mammals that relied on foraging began to evolve forward-facing eyes, enhancing depth perception. This ocular positioning allowed for better judgment of distances, essential for navigating through various terrains. These evolutionary milestones underscore a relationship between sensory development and environmental adaptation, illustrating how changes in habitat and behavior can drive significant biological advancements over millions of years. The evolutionary significance of eye color variations reveals a complex interplay between genetics and environmental factors. This region of research highlights how differing hues can influence not only individual survival, but also social dynamics within various species. Melanin concentration plays a crucial role. Darker pigments often provide increased protection against ultraviolet radiation, a vital consideration for organisms inhabiting sunnier environments. What a contrast! Lighter eye colors, while potentially more vulnerable to solar exposure, may offer advantages in low-light conditions. Certain populations have developed these variations in response to geographic factors, where darker shades prevail near the equator and lighter hues emerge in the polar regions. These adaptations reflect a strategic response to the intensity of sunlight, influencing visual acuity and social interactions. Beyond survival, eye color can affect social signaling and mate selection. In many species, specific colors are associated with health or vitality, thereby influencing reproductive choices. This subtle aspect of natural selection further drives the diversity seen in eye colors across different populations. Genetic mutations contribute to this complexity, as variations arise from single nucleotide changes, demonstrating how minor genetic shifts can lead to significant phenotypic diversity. These developments not only enhance our understanding of adaptation, but also illustrate the intricate connections between physical traits and the broader ecological landscape. Genetic mutations serve as fundamental catalysts in the evolution of ocular structures. These alterations in DNA sequences can lead to variations in protein synthesis, influencing the development of photoreceptor cells and other essential components of the eye. In this region, Specific mutations may enhance light sensitivity, allowing organisms to thrive in diverse habitats, from the abyssal depths to sunlit shallows. The emergence of compound eyes in arthropods exemplifies the influence of genetic variation. These eyes, composed of numerous ommatidia, provide a wide field of vision, optimizing survival in complex environments. Each mutation contributes to the refinement of visual capabilities, enabling the detection of motion and the identification of prey or predators. In vertebrates, the evolution of the camera-like eye highlights the role of genetic modifications in shaping anatomical features. Changes in genes responsible for lens development, retinal structure, and neural connections have resulted in a range of visual acuities. Some species exhibit adaptations for low-light conditions, while others possess acute color vision, reflecting the diverse demands of their ecological niches. The interplay between genetic mutations and environmental pressures fosters continuous adaptation. As species encounter new challenges, these mutations may offer novel solutions, ensuring that the eye remains a vital organ in the ever-changing tapestry of life on Earth. Extremophiles exhibit remarkable adaptations, allowing them to thrive in environments previously deemed inhospitable. In the depths of the ocean, where sunlight fails to penetrate, certain species have developed unique visual systems. These organisms rely on bioluminescence, utilizing light produced by chemical reactions to navigate their dark surroundings. Consequently, their eyes have evolved to detect faint glimmers, enhancing their ability to locate prey or potential mates. In contrast, organisms residing in highly saline environments exhibit different adaptations. Their visual systems have adapted to filter out the intense glare of sunlight reflecting off the water's surface. Specialized lenses and retinas enable these extremophiles to discern shapes and movements within their briny habitats with remarkable clarity. Such adaptations demonstrate the eye's flexibility, adjusting to the demands of an extreme environment. High-altitude dwellers face another set of challenges. In thin atmospheres, where UV radiation is amplified, some species have developed eyes with protective pigments. These adaptations not only shield sensitive tissues, but also enhance visual acuity, enabling survival amidst harsh conditions. Overall, these adaptations illustrate the eye's evolutionary journey, highlighting its capacity to transform based on environmental pressures. As extremophiles continue to adapt, they provide insights into the resilient nature of life and the diverse mechanisms that sustain survival across a multitude of ecosystems. The ability to regenerate eyes offers a fascinating glimpse into the adaptability of various species. Certain organisms, such as the axolotl, possess remarkable regenerative capabilities, allowing them to restore lost limbs and even ocular structures. This phenomenon raises intriguing questions about the underlying biological processes that facilitate eye regeneration. Cellular mechanisms involved in this process include the activation of stem cells and the orchestration of complex signaling pathways. With species like the planarian, a flatworm known for its regenerative prowess, the regeneration of eyes involves the reorganization of tissues and the intricate formation of neural connections. These processes highlight the potential for cellular plasticity and the remarkable ability of certain species to rebuild complex structures. The presence of specialized tissues, such as the eye cup in some vertebrates, further exemplifies the diversity of evolutionary adaptations. Research into these regenerative processes reveals the potential applications in regenerative medicine for humans. Understanding the genetic and molecular triggers that enable eye regeneration in other species may pave the way for innovative treatments for vision loss. Insights gleaned from nature not only deepen comprehension of evolutionary biology, but also inspire scientific advancements that could one day restore sight in those affected by degenerative eye diseases. The continuous exploration of these natural phenomena promises to unveil further secrets of life's resilience. The role of symbiosis in eye evolution reveals a complex interplay between organisms that shaped visual capabilities over millions of years. In this context, the collaboration between different species often led to adaptive advantages, fostering the development of sophisticated ocular structures. Early organisms, such as single-celled creatures, initially relied on simple photoreceptive cells, allowing basic light detection. These cells gradually became more specialized, benefiting from interactions with surrounding microorganisms. Mutualistic relationships played a crucial part in this progression. For instance, certain algae and protozoa formed symbiotic connections, enabling enhanced nutrient absorption and light sensitivity. This exchange facilitated the emergence of more advanced visual systems as organisms adapted to their environments, responding to light in increasingly nuanced ways. The introduction of multicellularity catalyzed further innovations. Eye spots evolved into more complex organs, linked to neural networks that processed visual information. As diverse species encountered various environmental pressures, they either competed or collaborated, leading to unique adaptations in visual perception. Within aquatic ecosystems, the development of eyes allowed for improved prey detection and predator evasion. Terrestrial species later capitalized on these advancements, modifying their visual systems to navigate new landscapes. This ongoing evolution underscores the intricate relationships that have driven the refinement of vision throughout the ages, reflecting the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Human eye evolution reveals a remarkable journey shaped by ecological demands and adaptive advantages. This organ, with its complex structure, has evolved over millions of years, reflecting both ancestral traits and unique modifications. The emergence of primates marked a significant shift, enabling enhanced color vision, essential for navigating dense foliage and identifying ripe fruits. The fovea, a small pit in the retina, allows for sharp central vision, facilitating activities that require precision. This adaptation became crucial for the survival of early humans, who relied on keen eyesight for both foraging and social interactions. The development of a larger brain also complemented eye evolution, fostering advanced visual processing capabilities. Variations in eye structure among different populations demonstrate how environmental factors have sculpted human vision. For example, individuals from areas with intense sunlight often exhibit increased melanin in their irises, offering protection against ultraviolet radiation. The evolution of the eye also highlights the dynamic interplay between biology and environment. As humans migrated to diverse habitats, vision adapted to meet new challenges, from tracking moving prey to interpreting social cues within complex groups. Each stage in eye development reflects broader themes of survival, adaptation, and the deep connections shared among all living organisms, illustrating the profound significance of this sensory organ in the human experience. The evolution of visual communication in social species unveils a fascinating interplay between eye development and the intricacies of social interaction. In environments where cooperation and competition shape survival, visual cues have emerged as vital tools for conveying information. The refinement of ocular structures allowed for enhanced perception of movement, color, and light, facilitating a deeper understanding of social dynamics. In various species, the eyes serve not only as instruments for navigation and foraging, but also as conduits for complex signals. The expressive gaze of mammals, for instance, conveys emotions such as fear, aggression, or submission, fostering group cohesion and individual recognition. Birds demonstrate an equally remarkable use of visual signals, employing vibrant plumage and intricate displays to communicate mating readiness and territory boundaries. These adaptations are not limited to sight alone. The evolution of the eye has influenced behaviors in social contexts, promoting the development of intricate social structures. Cooperative hunting strategies in predator species, for instance, depend on an acute awareness of visual signals among individuals. These behaviors enhance survival rates, ensuring the continuity of genetic material across generations. At summary, the evolution of visual communication reflects the interconnectedness of organisms, underlining the importance of sight in shaping social bonds and interactions, further enriching the tapestry of life on Earth. Predation pressure has played a pivotal role in the development of the eye across various species. The necessity for improved vision emerged as a direct response to the need for survival. Organisms that evolved enhanced visual capabilities gained a distinct advantage, enabling them to detect predators from greater distances and react more swiftly. This adaptive change fostered a gradual refinement of ocular structures. Different environments have shaped this evolution uniquely. Aquatic habitats, for instance, necessitated the development of eyes capable of functioning in variable light conditions and refractive environments. The formation of lenses and the intricate arrangement of retinal cells allowed for precise focus and acute perception of movement. In terrestrial ecosystems, the transition from water to land demanded additional modifications, such as accommodating for atmospheric distortion and enhancing depth perception. The emergence of complex eyes, such as those found in cephalopods and vertebrates, illustrates the diversification of visual systems driven by predation. Each evolutionary step reflects a response to the pressures exerted by the need to escape predation or to become a more effective hunter. Over millions of years, these adaptations have not only influenced individual species, but have also altered entire ecosystems, driving the complexity and diversity of life forms that inhabit them. The intricate development of the eye has not been without its challenges. Eye-related diseases and disorders emerged alongside the evolution of vision, shaped by both genetic mutations and environmental pressures. Conditions such as myopia and hyperopia reflect the adaptation of visual systems to various habitats, revealing how lifestyle and habitat changes impact ocular health. Afar in this region of evolutionary biology, conditions like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration serve as reminders of the balance between functional adaptation and vulnerability. These disorders often arise from the accumulation of cellular damage over time, influenced by factors such as ultraviolet exposure and dietary deficiencies. The prevalence of these conditions has increased in modern populations, revealing the complex interplay between lifestyle, genetics, and environmental impact. Research continues to unveil the genetic underpinnings of eye diseases, illustrating how specific mutations can predispose individuals to conditions like glaucoma or retinitis pigmentosa. These disorders underscore the vulnerability of even the most finely tuned systems. The ongoing investigation into the mechanisms behind these diseases aims to provide insights into potential treatments and preventative strategies. The journey of the eye through evolutionary history reflects not only its remarkable adaptations, but also the challenges it faces. Understanding these disorders offers a glimpse into the resilience and limitations of vision as a critical component of survival in the natural world. Speculation regarding the future of eye evolution raises intriguing questions about adaptation and survival in an ever-changing environment. The emergence of new technologies and the influence of artificial environments may shape the next stages of visual development. In aquatic ecosystems, for instance, organisms may evolve enhanced capabilities for low-light conditions, allowing them to navigate deeper waters where sunlight barely penetrates. This adjustment could result in larger, more sensitive retinas, improving contrast sensitivity and color discrimination in dimly lit surroundings. Land-dwelling species might see a shift towards increased visual acuity at varying distances. The demand for precision in spotting prey or avoiding predators could drive the evolution of multifocal lenses, optimizing focus for both near and far vision. Such adaptations may also promote the development of protective features, enhancing resilience to environmental factors like ultraviolet radiation. In urban settings, where artificial light dominates, organisms may adapt their circadian rhythms, altering their photoreception to utilize available light more effectively. These changes might manifest as shifts in color perception, favoring wavelengths that align with human-created light spectra. Reflecting on these potential transformations prompts a deeper understanding of the relationship between vision and environment. Each evolutionary step encapsulates the dynamic interplay between necessity and opportunity. As life continues its relentless quest for adaptation amidst shifting landscapes, technology has played a pivotal role in unraveling the complexities of eye evolution. Advanced imaging techniques, such as electron microscopy, enable detailed visualization of cellular structures, revealing the intricacies of photoreceptor cells. These tools allow scientists to observe the subtle changes in eye morphology over vast periods, linking anatomical variations to environmental adaptations. Genomic sequencing provides another layer of understanding, illuminating the genetic foundations that drive the development of ocular features. By comparing the genetic material of diverse species, researchers can trace the lineage of eye-related genes, uncovering how mutations have influenced visual capabilities throughout evolutionary history. This insight offers a clearer picture of how eyes have evolved in response to predation and habitat. Gani simulations and modeling contribute to this evolving narrative, allowing for the exploration of hypothetical scenarios where light availability and ecological demands shape visual systems. Such models provide context for the fossil record, clarifying gaps where morphological evidence is scarce. Sorshmal cell nia always wayan sistaniag orbingsas this research, analyzing vast datasets and identifying patterns that may elude human observation. These technological advancements foster a deeper understanding of the evolutionary milestones that have led to the complex eyes seen today. Each discovery serves as a reminder of the intricate relationship between organismal development and the environments they inhabit, highlighting the ongoing journey of adaptation. The evolution of the eye is closely intertwined with the development of the brain, reflecting a shared trajectory shaped by environmental pressures and survival needs. As organisms adapted to their surroundings, the necessity for enhanced vision drove changes in neural architecture. Early photoreceptive cells evolved into more complex structures, facilitating the development of image-forming eyes. This advancement required corresponding adaptations within the nervous system, allowing for improved processing of visual informations. In primitive species, basic eye spots provided rudimentary light detection, prompting simple behavioral responses. Over time, these structures became more sophisticated, evolving into camera-like eyes that offered a greater field of vision and depth perception. This transition paralleled significant changes in brain structure, with the emergence of specialized regions devoted to visual processing. Angisa's organisms occupied diverse ecological niches. Selective pressures favored those with enhanced visual capabilities, and cognitive functions. In predatory species, acute eyesight became crucial for hunting, while prey organisms developed adaptations for detecting threats. This evolutionary arms race resulted in increasingly complex eyes and brains, each influencing the other in a continuous feedback loop. The refinement of these dual systems illustrates a remarkable interplay, showcasing how sensory perception and cognitive development are vital for survival in an ever-changing world. The influence of light pollution has profound implications for current eye adaptations. This phenomenon, resulting from artificial lighting, significantly alters the natural patterns of light exposure that organisms have evolved to navigate. With its prevalence in urban environments, it disrupts the circadian rhythms of many species, including humans. These disruptions can lead to a cascade of physiological responses. For instance, the suppression of melatonin production affects sleep cycles and overall health. Eyes adapted over millions of years to respond to natural light variations must now contend with this persistent glow. The retina, which houses specialized cells for detecting light and color, is forced to adapt to an environment where night is no longer dark. In some cases, adaptations manifest in altered visual acuity. Organisms may exhibit changes in their nocturnal vision as a response to the brightness of urban skies. This includes modifications in the number and sensitivity of photoreceptors. Such shifts can lead to challenges in traditional foraging and mating behaviors, placing additional stress on populations already facing habitat loss. The interplay between evolving eye structures and light pollution underscores a critical aspect of modern ecology. The historical journey of the eye, shaped by natural selection, must now navigate the complexities of human influence, signaling a new chapter in the ongoing evolution of sensory perception. Advancements in bioengineering have led to the creation of artificial eyes, a remarkable intersection of technology and biology. This innovation stems from a deep understanding of the eye's anatomy and function, allowing researchers to replicate its intricate design. Various materials, including biocompatible polymers and advanced optics, serve as the foundation of these devices, enabling them to mimic natural vision. The development of retinal implants offers a glimpse into the potential of artificial vision. These devices interact directly with the remaining retinal cells, transforming light into electrical signals. The subsequent stimulation of the optic nerve allows for the perception of images, albeit in a limited form. Clinical trials demonstrate varying degrees of success, with some participants experiencing a significant improvement in their visual capabilities. Ongoing research in this field explores the integration of artificial systems with biological components. Gene therapy aim to restore or enhance the natural functionality of the eye, while neural interfaces seek to create direct communication pathways between artificial eyes and the brain. This convergence of disciplines not only holds promise for those with visual impairments, but also raises profound questions about the nature of perception and the future of human augmentation. The implications of these advancements extend beyond medicine, challenging the understanding of vision and its role in human experience. Cultural factors significantly influence human eye perception, shaping how individuals interpret visual stimuli. Different societies develop unique visual languages that reflect their history, environment, and collective experiences. These variations in perception often manifest in art, architecture, and daily interactions, illustrating how the eye functions not merely as a biological instrument, but also as a cultural lens. U-Ein's regions where vibrant colors dominate the landscape, inhabitants may develop heightened sensitivity to color distinctions. This awareness can alter artistic expressions, leading to rich palettes and intricate designs that convey meaning beyond mere aesthetics. In contrast, cultures situated in more muted environments may focus on form and texture, prioritizing these elements over color in their visual narratives. The interplay of language and vision further complicates this relationship. Certain cultures possess words that describe specific visual experiences, enriching their capacity to communicate about visual phenomena. This linguistic diversity enhances cognitive processing, allowing for nuanced interpretations of the visual world. The impact of technology on perception cannot be overlooked. The advent of digital media reshapes visual experiences as individuals from diverse backgrounds engage with images in unprecedented ways. This evolution facilitates cross-cultural exchanges, fostering a richer understanding of how vision is perceived and celebrated. Through this lens, the eye emerges as a profound connector of human experience across varying cultural landscapes. The study of evolutionary developmental biology has significantly influenced the understanding of the eye's complexity. Insights gleaned from developmental processes illuminate how various structures of the eye have evolved over time. This discipline examines genetic factors and environmental influences that shape ocular anatomy, revealing the intricate pathways that govern eye formation. Research in this area has unveiled the common genetic underpinnings shared by diverse species, indicating a shared ancestry within the animal kingdom. These findings suggest that the fundamental mechanisms driving eye development are conserved, allowing scientists to trace the evolutionary lineage of ocular traits. Such discoveries highlight the adaptability of visual systems in response to ecological demands. Investigations into the embryonic stages of eye development shed light on the transition from simple light-sensitive cells to intricate organs capable of sophisticated vision. This progression is marked by a series of morphogenetic events, including the differentiation of tissues and the establishment of neural connections. Comparative studies across species further underscore the evolutionary pressures that have shaped these adaptations, revealing how variations in habitat and behavior influence ocular function. The integration of evolutionary developmental biology into eye studies continues to provide a deeper understanding of not only the eye's structure, but also its pivotal role in survival and interaction with the environment. This ongoing research enriches the narrative of ocular evolution, contributing to broader themes of adaptation and diversity in the natural world. And Griebeltude Forneas Adaptation and Diversity in the Natural World, examining eye evolution within the framework of evolutionary biology, reveals a complex interplay of genetic, environmental, and ecological factors. The gradual refinement of ocular structures illustrates how organisms adapt to varying light conditions and predation pressures. Early light-sensitive cells, not yet classified as true eyes, allowed primitive organisms to distinguish between light and dark, fostering survival in their respective environments. Over years, rudimentary sensory systems subsequently evolved into more sophisticated structures, such as the compound eyes of arthropods and the camera-like eyes found in vertebrates. Each adaptation serves a distinct purpose, shaped by the unique challenges faced by different species. This progression reflects a broader principle of evolutionary biology, the modification of existing structures in response to selective pressures. The convergence of eye forms across diverse taxa exemplifies the concept of independent evolution, where similar solutions arise in separate lineages. In this context, it is evident that the eye is not merely a product of random mutation, but a refined response to environmental demands. The diversity of ocular design, from the multifaceted eyes of insects to the advanced lenses of mammals, underscores the adaptive significance of vision throughout evolutionary history. These developments highlight the intricate relationship between an organism's sensory capabilities and its ecological niche, painting a vivid picture of life's ongoing quest for survival. The evolution of the eye is deeply intertwined with sensory integration, illustrating how organisms optimize their interaction with the environment. This relationship reveals a continuous refinement of neural pathways and processing capabilities, enabling creatures to interpret visual information alongside other sensory data. The complexity of this integration varies across species, influenced by ecological demands and behavioral adaptations. In predatory species, for instance, visual acuity is often complemented by acute auditory and olfactory senses, enhancing hunting efficiency. The eyes of raptors, equipped with superior resolution, operate in concert with sharp hearing, allowing for precise targeting of prey. In contrast, prey species exhibit an adaptation toward a broader field of vision, supported by lateral eye placement, facilitating rapid detection of threats while remaining attuned to other environmental cues. This region of evolution demonstrates a remarkable synergy among sensory modalities. While vision plays a significant role, it coexists with touch, smell, and hearing, creating a comprehensive framework for understanding surroundings. The nervous systems of these organisms reflect this integration, with neural circuits adapting to prioritize certain senses based on immediate needs. Observations of specialized habitats reveal how varying light conditions and environmental challenges have prompted unique adaptations. Such adaptations underscore the fact that eye evolution is not merely about the development of vision, but is inherently linked to a broader sensory system, finely tuned for survival within diverse ecosystems. Evolutionary biology plays a pivotal role in unraveling the complexities of eye research. It provides a framework for understanding the adaptive significance of various ocular structures across different species. This discipline examines how environmental pressures and ecological niches have shaped the diversity of visual systems found in nature. Comparative studies reveal that similar environmental challenges can lead to analogous solutions in eye morphology and function, a phenomenon known as convergent evolution. Investigations into the genetic and developmental pathways of eye formation shed light on the underlying mechanisms that govern ocular development. Gene expression patterns and regulatory networks reveal how certain genes are conserved across vast evolutionary timescales, while also allowing for species-specific adaptations. Such insights illuminate the transitions from simple light-sensitive cells to intricate organs capable of perceiving a spectrum of visual information. The fossil record contributes to this understanding, showcasing critical stages in ocular evolution. These remnants provide evidence of how eyes have transformed over hundreds of millions of years, adapting to varying light conditions and predation pressures. Insights gleaned from extinct species enhance the narrative, offering glimpses into the past and helping to reconstruct the evolutionary lineage of the eye. This comprehensive approach underscores the interconnectedness of biology, ecology, and evolution in understanding one of nature's most remarkable innovations. The evolution of visual systems in isolated ecosystems reveals remarkable adaptations, shaped by unique environmental pressures. In such regions, light conditions, habitat complexity, and available prey influence the development of visual perception. Species confined to caves, for example, often exhibit reduced or absent eyes, relying instead on other senses for navigation and foraging. This loss highlights a fascinating aspect of evolution, where the absence of light leads to the streamlining of unnecessary traits. Conversely, in environments with abundant light, such as coral reefs, visual systems become intricately specialized. Vibrant colors and intricate patterns aid in communication and mate selection, fostering diversity among species. These adaptations are not random, but rather responses to selective pressures that enhance survival and reproductive success. The presence of specialized light receptors allows organisms to detect subtle changes in their surroundings, facilitating predation and evasion. In isolated ecosystems, competition and predation shape visual capabilities in specific ways. Some species develop acute vision to detect movement, while others evolve broader spectral sensitivity to identify mates or avoid capture. The interplay between these adaptations illustrates how ecological niches drive the evolution of visual systems. Each unique evolutionary path taken by different species stands as a testament to nature's ingenuity, reflecting the diverse strategies employed to conquer the challenges posed by their environments. Dietary habits exert a profound influence on the evolution of the eye, shaping its form and functionality in response to environmental demands. Various feeding strategies necessitate specific visual adaptations, allowing organisms to better locate food sources and evade predators. In aquatic ecosystems, for instance, the prevalence of light and its scattering properties have led to the development of large, sensitive eyes capable of detecting subtle movements and contrasts in the water. Herbivorous species, in particular, often possess eyes positioned on the sides of their heads, granting a wider field of view. This arrangement aids in spotting potential threats while foraging. Alternatively, carnivorous creatures tend to have forward-facing eyes, which enhance depth perception and visual acuity, crucial for hunting and capturing prey. These variations illustrate the intricate relationship between dietary needs and ocular structures. Specialized diets may also drive the evolution of colors and patterns within the eye, facilitating communication or attracting mates. The unique adaptations seen in various lineages underscore how ecological niches and dietary preferences guide the refinement of visual systems over time. In the context of terrestrial environments, shifts in diet have similarly prompted changes in eye morphology. The transition from water to land has led to the emergence of protective structures, such as eyelids and nictitating membranes, ensuring the eyes remain moist and functional. Amid new challenges, the evolution of vision across the animal kingdom reveals remarkable adaptations shaped by diverse environments. Various species have developed unique ocular structures that cater to their specific ecological niches. Among those, the compound eye, found in insects and crustaceans, consists of numerous small lenses, allowing for a broad field of view and enhanced motion detection. This adaptation proves advantageous in environments where rapid movement is crucial for survival. In contrast, vertebrates have evolved camera-like eyes, characterized by a single lens that focuses light onto a retina. This design facilitates depth perception and color differentiation, vital for hunting and foraging in complex habitats. The presence of rods and cones within the retina exemplifies specialization, enabling nocturnal creatures to thrive in low-light conditions while diurnal species benefit from enhanced color vision. The development of vision is not solely confined to the terrestrial realm. Aquatic creatures showcase adaptations that optimize their sight in underwater environments. Fish possess streamlined eyes that minimize distortion from water, while some species, like certain cephalopods, have sophisticated color vision and the ability to perceive polarized light, granting them an advantage in murky depths. The evolutionary journey of vision continues to unfold, offering insights into the intricate relationship between organisms and their environments. Each adaptation reflects both the challenges faced and the solutions devised over millions of years. The quest to understand the eye continues to evolve, driven by advancements in technology and research methodologies. Innovative imaging techniques, such as adaptive optics and high-resolution microscopy, allow scientists to visualize structures within the eye with unprecedented clarity. These tools reveal intricate details of cellular arrangements and the molecular machinery that underpins visual function. Genetic engineering plays a pivotal role in current research, offering the ability to manipulate genes associated with vision. This approach holds promise for developing therapies for inherited retinal diseases, aiming to restore or enhance visual capabilities. Stem cell research is also a promising frontier, with efforts focused on regenerating damaged retinal tissues. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are increasingly integrated into the analysis of ophthalmic data. Algorithms can identify patterns and predict outcomes from complex datasets, leading to more personalized treatment strategies. This region of research not only aids in the management of eye diseases, but also enhances our understanding of visual perception in unique environments. Collaboration across disciplines, including biology, engineering, and computer science, fosters a holistic approach to eye research. Each discovery adds a layer to the existing knowledge, bridging gaps between understanding and application. With ongoing innovations, the potential for new therapies and insights into the evolution of vision remains vast, continually expanding the horizons of this critical field. The evolution of the eye offers profound insights into human behavior, revealing the intricate connections between vision and the development of social structures. As organisms adapted to their environments, the emergence of complex visual systems facilitated social interactions, influencing communication and cooperative behaviors. This relationship underscores the importance of vision in shaping not only survival strategies, but also the intricate web of societal norms and relationships. Eyes are not merely organs of sight, they serve as windows to emotional states and intentions. Facial expressions, often conveyed through eye movements, play a critical role in social signaling. This region of study highlights how evolutionary adaptations in visual perception have fostered nuanced communication, enabling early humans to establish bonds and affiliations, pivotal for survival in a communal context. The rich evolutionary history of the eye also informs understanding of cognitive processes. Visual stimuli are processed in the brain, influencing decision-making, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. This interconnectedness showcases the role of vision in shaping cognitive evolution, as enhanced visual capabilities likely contributed to the development of complex thought and behavior. Understanding these dynamics provides a clearer picture of how evolutionary changes in vision have influenced human behavior, illustrating the profound impact that sensory systems have on social interaction and cognition. Insights gleaned from this journey continue to inform contemporary studies in psychology and anthropology. The environment has played a pivotal role in shaping the evolution of the eye, with various adaptations emerging in response to changing conditions. In shallow waters, organisms developed specialized structures that enhanced their ability to detect light, leading to the emergence of simple light-sensitive cells. This adaptation marked the beginning of an evolutionary trajectory that would culminate in complex visual systems. As habitats shifted from aquatic to terrestrial environments, eyes underwent significant modifications. The need to perceive distance and movement in varying light conditions prompted the development of lenses and protective eyelids. Such changes allowed for improved depth perception and a wider field of view, essential for survival in a more challenging atmosphere. Climate fluctuations further influenced ocular evolution. The shift from dense forests to open plains necessitated enhanced visual acuity to evade predators and locate food sources. Species that thrived in bright sunlight adapted by evolving pigments that protected against harmful ultraviolet rays, while others developed nocturnal features suited for low light conditions. These environmental pressures not only drove the diversification of eye structures, but also established a profound connection between vision and ecological niches. Each evolutionary step taken by these organisms reflects an intricate balance between biological necessity and the demands of their surroundings, underscoring the eye's role as a crucial instrument in the ongoing struggle for survival. The evolution of the eye carries significant implications for contemporary conservation efforts. Understanding the diverse adaptations of vision across various species informs strategies aimed at preserving biodiversity. This region of study emphasizes the delicate interplay between environmental factors and visual capabilities, illuminating how organisms adapt to their habitats. The unique visual systems developed through evolutionary processes provide insight into ecological niches and the conditions necessary for their survival. In particular, the adaptation of photoreceptive cells in different environments highlights the necessity of protecting these habitats as ecosystems face unprecedented changes due to climate shifts and human activities. Conserving areas that support the myriad forms of vision becomes paramount. The loss of species with specialized vision can disrupt the balance within these ecosystems, resulting in cascading effects on food webs and community structures. Or moreover, understanding how various species perceive their environment aids in creating effective conservation policies. It allows for the identification of critical habitats essential for breeding, foraging, and migration. Implementing strategies that consider the vision of species can enhance conservation outcomes, fostering environments where organisms can thrive. The knowledge gained from the eye's evolution serves as a guide in navigating the complexities of ecological preservation, ensuring that the intricate web of life continues to flourish amidst changing conditions. The evolution of vision encompasses various scientific disciplines, intertwining biology, geology, and even physics. This field of study reveals how visual systems have adapted over time, shaped by environmental pressures and opportunities. Fossil records indicate a gradual refinement in ocular structures, from simple light-sensitive cells to complex organs capable of perceiving vast spectra of light. Different species exhibit remarkable variations. For instance, cephalopods possess intricate eyes that rival those of vertebrates, despite a separate evolutionary path. These adaptations showcase the impact of ecological niches on sensory development. In coastal regions, the interplay of light and water has driven some species to evolve solutions for enhanced underwater visibility. Analyses of genetic sequences provide insights into the molecular underpinnings of vision. Comparative studies illuminate the shared ancestry of visual proteins, tracing their evolution through time and across diverse lineages. This genetic perspective reveals how small changes can lead to significant adaptations, enabling organisms to thrive in unique habitats. Collaborative efforts among scientists enhance the understanding of vision's evolution, combining paleontological evidence with modern genetic research. Such interdisciplinary approaches create a comprehensive picture of how vision has evolved, emphasizing the importance of environmental context in shaping these complex systems. The unfolding story of visual evolution continues to captivate researchers, revealing deeper connections in the fabric of life. Awalaiku. The legacy of eye evolution significantly influences various scientific fields, providing insights beyond mere biological development. This intricate history serves as a foundation for understanding complex visual systems in living organisms, illuminating the pathways through which diverse adaptations have emerged. Evolutionary changes in ocular structures, observed across numerous species, offer a comparative framework for researchers studying genetic and environmental factors, shaping sensory perception. The examination of eye evolution informs advancements in medical science, particularly in the fields of ophthalmology and genetics. Analyzing the mechanisms that underlie vision in different species helps identify hereditary conditions affecting human eyesight. These explorations pave the way for innovative treatments and therapies aimed at preserving ocular health. Insights derived from the evolutionary journey of eyes also extend into technology. Engineers and computer scientists draw inspiration from biological systems, leading to the development of advanced imaging technologies and artificial vision systems. This convergence of biology and engineering exemplifies the far-reaching implications of evolutionary studies. Understanding the evolution of the eye enriches ecological research as well. It highlights the role of visual adaptation in survival strategies, influencing behaviors such as predator-prey interactions. This knowledge equips scientists with a clearer perspective on ecosystem dynamics and the adaptive significance of sensory organs in changing environments. The intricate journey of eye evolution spans an astonishing 500 million years, illustrating the profound adaptability of life. This remarkable history reveals a gradual refinement of structures, from simple light-sensitive cells to complex organs capable of perceiving vast spectrums of light. Variations in ocular design across species underscore the relationship between environmental pressures and sensory development. In aquatic realms, eyes have adapted to filter light and enhance visibility in myriad depths, while terrestrial organisms have evolved to maximize perception in an atmosphere filled with diverse stimuli. Each evolutionary step is a testament to survival, indicating how organisms have navigated their environments through enhanced visual capabilities. The diversity of eyes found in nature, from the multifaceted compound eyes of insects to the sophisticated lenses of vertebrates, exemplifies the convergence of form and function. This wide array of adaptations serves specific ecological niches, enhancing the ability to forage, evade predators, and communicate. Understanding this evolutionary narrative sheds light on the broader implications of sensory adaptation. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of life forms and their environments, revealing how vision has played a pivotal role in shaping behaviors and ecological interactions. This comprehensive overview of ocular evolution not only enriches scientific knowledge, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexities of life on Earth.